Where are you going? Hey, where are you going?
Daddy.
You gonna bust that head there, big noggin? What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna work? You gonna do some work? Oh, you're gonna get that mouse. Yeah, he likes that mouse. Oh yeah, we got that now, don't we? Oh, we're in good shape. Hey. 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 Hey, boy. What are you doing? Hey. Jakey. 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 Hey. Hey, boy. Jakey. Oh, he's typing email now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You better watch it. Are you working like Daddy?
Daddy.
Hmm?
Blah, blah, blah.
That's all right. That's as far as it goes. There's a cord in there. Stinky. Stinky. You see it, don't you? Oh, no.
He can see it, but he can't get to it. Now, come on now. What are you?
What's wrong? Hey, bud. What's going on?
Oh, here's the box. That's where the phone was. Yeah, he's going to check to see if the phone's back there again.
Isn't it Bluetooth? I've got it on now. Where you going, bud?
Phone's gone. Phone's gone. Can't talk.
Hey, bud. Jakey. Jakey.
He's looking for it. She laid it on that shelf. Did you see him look?
You gonna read a book? You reading books? No, not that one.
What?
Jakey. Jakey, what you got? Hey, Jakey. Boop, boop. Get your back to the camera, boy. Are you reading about stocks and investing? Never too early, huh? Never too early. No pictures in that one, huh?
Bummer. So I'll just stare at the cover.
You like those guys? You know them guys? Double check. It's got pictures on the cover. Why didn't it have pictures inside?
Let me check one more time.
I keep thumbing through the That's pretty cool. Hey, Bo. Where are you going? Oh, who's on TV? Say, hey, Mommy. Jakey. Hey.